Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to check the KYC status of your Demat account. Before opening a Demat account, SEBI requires all investors to complete KYC. Hence, validating the KYC is an important part of the process. First, go to your preferred browser and search for CVL KRA. Click on this website and you'll land in its homepage. On the top, locate this KYC inquiry and click on that. You will be redirected to this Search KYC page. Here, you have to enter your PAN card number. If you don't have a PAN card, you can enter your name, birth date, and the reason for exemption. Solve the CAPTCHA and click on Submit. Now, if you scroll down a little, you can see that the KYC is complete, validated, and active. New KYC validated means that your KYC is fully completed and validated through CVL KRA's website. And you are now eligible to open and operate a Demat account and conduct financial transactions. DigiLocker plus Aadhaar implies that this user submitted their documents digitally and Aadhaar was used as their address proof. IPv flag E indicates that the in-person verification for this user was done digitally, that is eIPV. You can scroll down further to see all the available KYC status. And if you get stuck somewhere, feel free to reach out to Alice Blue's support team. With that, we reach the end of this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Alice Blue's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out on any updates from us. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.